Looking at everyone is preaching real estate investing to us as a guaranteed way to build generational wealth. Hmm, it's true. So many real estate videos everywhere. But when you decide to start, you take a look at your account balance. Literally, it said error 0.0, not found. Because almost every real estate guru out there hasn't actually showed you how to start investing in real estate. Even with little capital, they just want to sell you a course. Look, I started investing in real estate with just 500K, which is like $1,000. And as at that time, when I made over $3 million, because I started where I was dreaming that 10 million naira would fall into my laps. But then I started. There's something called REITs. It's not a pyramid scheme. It actually stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. And it's the reason why I'm able to make over $1 million in real estate without starting with a huge capital. You know why? Today, I will take you through and explain what REITs are and how anyone aspiring to invest in real estate can start doing that with little capital. Yes, I said it's little capital. I'm going to be walking you through the pros, the cons of REITs, so you can make safe investments that can change your finances for life. Then I'll be ending with my personal advice on how to start investing in REITs after making millions of dollars doing so, even if you are completely new in investing in real estate globally. Plus, if you can stick around to the end of this video, I'll be giving you free resource to help you get started in real estate investing for total beginners. I mean beginners. I hope you are excited about this video because I certainly am. And let's begin to dive into this. So first of all, what is REITs? It's a company that owns and operates and finance income producing real estate. Hear me, income producing, to allow public people invest in real estate without actually having to involve in the day-to-day activities. Real estate is stressful, though, I tell you. Without even having physical properties, you can make real estate money. Basically, it's a company that owns and operates commercial real estate. Just think about it. Think about mutual funds, think about stock. But this one is you're investing in tangible investments, not the one that breeze will blow out. It is real estate. You are buying into a portfolio of real estate asset like office, buildings, shopping mall, apartments. You know, so many things you see on those Wall Street, they actually rate apartment warehouses. So instead of waiting to buy one piece of land that you cannot afford in the next 10 years, you can own several multiple real estate, which means that you are now global in the global space. You own in America, Canada, USA. Basically, you are collecting rent from these stocks and you are not stressed. The landlord is not carrying the headache. The toilet is leaking. You are not interested. They shall just bring part of your slice. When they collect this rent, they share it. 90% of their income comes from shareholders of this company. You basically have ownership rights of the company, but you are buying shares of multiple real estate properties and you are entitled to 90% of the gains. Yes, I mean 90% of the gains collectively. Basically, this allows you to invest in these companies with little money. You need to know that there's a strategy and the portfolio will keep increasing, making you more money and more money and more money, because as the houses are going up, the rents are going up, you too, your investment is going up. Yes. You know, there was a video of my friend who took a vacation to Johannesburg in South Africa, and guess what? This was a shopping mall. This was commercial properties. You know, when you take a close look, you find out that the entire place was owned by REITs. you need to work with somebody that has the opportunity. So I'm going to show you how you can do others. If you follow me to the end of this video, you need to understand that actually REIT is closed. Many top real estate investors put their money there. Basically, they turn in dollars upon dollars upon dollars upon dollars. You will see this with your naked eyes. Let me walk you through the pros and the cons of REITs. Yes. Why are REITs get great options for beginners like you? Because you can start with small money. You can actually start if you're a student. Yes. Let me break it down. First, we have dividend income. This is basically the major reasons why anyone will want to own a REIT, because they all share the common goal. You eat from the big cake. You can get your money quarterly, annually. That means you don't have to wait. Like I said, most REITs are required to pay 90% of their income to their shareholders. Yes, that is what it is, and it is legally bound. And you can actually start from wherever you are. Secondly, another reason why I like REIT is low capital is required, very low. You don't need millions upon millions upon millions upon millions. With just $100, $10, you can start investing in REITs. And you get between 4 to 10% every year, depending on how good the REIT is. And that is where you now need an expert to walk you through the kind of REITs you should put your money, the companies that are doing very well, and how you can go about it. And that is why I created the Platinum Invest. In Platinum Invest is where I share on the types of REITs that you can put your money. It is easy to buy and sell it. It sells like stock. But why I like it is it's not like stock that today to just disappear. REITs are real estate. And if you know anything about real estate are, they have constant, consistent money. And this is market is easy to get by. You just need to work with those that are there and those that understand the REIT market, and it's actually liquid. That's another thing I like. And one other thing is diversification. You are putting all your money in one basket. Okay. In REIT, you are able to invest in both rental, hotels. You spread your money across buildings. You spread your money across countries. You Dubai, America, everywhere. But it doesn't just end, because investing in REITs is also down. It's very crucial that you know the downsides. Yes, because if there's anything I know how to do is to tell you the way it is. Yes, so you can now set your expectations right. Maybe you have 10%, you have 4%, you have 6%. And if you play it well, you know, understanding the REIT market, it means that you can put your money in various real estate. At the end of it all, when you put it together, you will get approximately 7, 8, 10%. It does not crash. There is nothing like panic sell. It is not the kind of stock that when my brother or my sister in America cough, everything is going like this. For example, during COVID, many shopping malls had issues. So, REITs dropped. But if you were investing in shortlets, apartments, you're investing in housing, people were living in houses. So by the time you put it together, you're able to balance it, you will still make money. Unlike people that totally lost their money in COVID. It's profitable, but to invest, just invest in various types of real estate in REITs. So instead of investing and reinvesting, you can be sustainable by putting in all of your profit back into the REITs and grow your money. As the companies are growing, you are growing. For instance, a REIT might own 50 buildings for a year, while a tech company is just one. And when tax come and something happens, the entire money goes. But unless there is fire in the buildings, 50 buildings, what can definitely happen to 50 buildings? But guess what? You know that the good thing is that real estate is not taxed. I would say when you're trying to build a portfolio, just keep reinvesting your dividends. So let me show you option one. Do your research. You're surprised that's my option. Yes. Do your research, invest in the right REITs, work with somebody that is very knowledgeable in the market to analyze and study. Decide the kind of property you want to invest in. Is it residential? Is it warehouse? Is it health care facility? That is a mega money. what you need to look at, what is in town, what is depends on the country. It's also important. For example, recession rates, healthcare rates, they look at long term, you know, look around, find out information, find out which of them pays good dividend. But one thing I will tell you, there is growth, it's stable. Be sure that you do that. Invest in apps. You know, there are apps that you can invest in that actually doing great in Nigeria, in case you're in Nigeria. But you need to really understand. Option two, invest in REITs ETF. Now, this is very easy. Instead of picking individual REITs by yourself, you have places that they have put all the REITs together and it becomes one investment. So you can put your money there. Those we can teach you. REIT is not just trying to buy pizza. I tell you, you are not trying to buy pizza. So you need to get it right. Huh? Or we can do a one-on-one coaching on how you can go about it. But most importantly, holding REITs is very important. It helps to diversify your portfolio. There are some REITs that are very closed. I was talking to a company recently. They told me their REIT is not available. There is no availability. Why? It's perfect. It's a perfect investment and it's safe and it's easy entry. So you need a brokerage account. All this you will learn in Platinum Invest. Now, let's take this thing serious. Here is my own honest advice. Go straight to someone who knows REITs, who has worn the shoes of REITs. It is not a get quick rich scheme. It is not a get quick rich scheme. It's sustainability. It is a strategy for wealth creation. Approach them right away, even if you don't want to join the Platinum Invest. Hear the truth. Most people don't like to hear the truth. Find out it is not gambling. It is not payback. It is not hype. Don't do anything panic sell. During the downtime, stay there and wait. It will come back. Real estate will always come back because you won't lose money. But for you to be a successful investor, think like an investor. Think in decades. The magic happens when you know how to compound your interest in real estate. Two, focus on the cash flow, not headline. Focus on the dividends, reinvest them, reinvest them, reinvest them. Yeah, they are not boring. Leverage on information. Don't be an emotional person and just decide and run away every little thing you see. So if you are looking for something that will thrill you, quick cash, or you want to seriously build wealth that will last, then REIT is okay, because if you are the type you can ignore the noise and stick to the REIT plan, I tell you, 10 years from now, your dividends will pay off all the luxuries you missed years ago. Sometimes when I travel, a lot of people want to fly private jet, they want to fly first class. I tell them, don't follow me, because it is my investment that is paying for my luxury. So if you have any question on how you can get started in investing in REIT, send us a message. But most importantly, go and join yourself with Platinum Invest, and we monthly come to teach you everything you need to do. Don't just send a message as a time waster or a random person. Be sure that you are serious, or just love this video, like it. But I tell you, you can actually start with less than 100K. Bam. So once again, if you have been playing with 100K, lying down in your account doing nothing, why don't you consider REIT? Join yourself with the Platinum Invest and learn more. I'll catch you next time that I come. Love, like, share. I love you. I'll see you on top.